Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you buy coins through the official app store in the payment in Poppo Live but your balance still isn't showing the update? Here's the fix. This is a display sync issue, not a lost purchase, and it's confirmed to resolve the majority cases with one simple step. Fully close the Poppo Live app completely from your recent apps. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and swipe the app card away. Do not just minimize it or tap it back to your home screen. This alone resolves most the coin display issues with about a minute or two of reopening. Reopen Poppo Live and check your balance again on that refresh session. If it's still not showing, then go to your settings, tap on airplane mode and toggle it on for about 15 seconds. After you toggle it on, wait for about 15 seconds and turn it back off to reset your network connection. The balance update depends on your device successfully reaching the Poppo server. Reopen the app once more afterward. Most legitimate App Store or Google Play purchases complete within 30 seconds to 3 minutes. If it's been longer than 15 minutes and your balance still hasn't updated after trying these steps, go ahead and check your Apple ID or Google Play purchase history to confirm whether the payment went through before contacting Poppo Live support. So all you've got to do is fully go ahead and close and reopen the apps, then reset your connection if needed, and check out your official purchase history if it's taking longer than 15 minutes. And that's it. Subscribe.